Is your team drowning in work with no end in sight? Today's tip is just for you. Dear Jen, my team is constantly working overtime and everyone is feeling really overwhelmed. Is there a training or something that might help? Where do I start? Oh, thank you for writing in, dear leader. First of all, let's breathe. You got this. When a team is drowning, training is typically not the answer. At least, not at first. You see, an overwhelmed team won't benefit from anything new. Yet. What they need is capacity. They need time to complete their work during business hours. And as their leader, your job is to help them create it. So let's talk about how. Step 1, make 2 lists. Yes, you, not your team. Before you start reshuffling your org chart or signing everyone up for productivity training, try this. List number 1, the critical tasks for the next 2 weeks, or maybe it's just the next 2 days. This is your survival list. If everything else went away, but these things got done, you and your team would still be in good shape. And here's a pro tip. If it doesn't have an actual must-do due date, it does not belong on this list. List number 2, things that are not urgent. In other words, everything else. These are the tasks that will not break the universe if they don't get done right away. For now, think of them as can be delayed without guilt. And here's another pro tip. If the due date is flexible or non-existent, it goes on this list. Got your lists? Good. Now go back and double check list 1 again and make sure everything on it is 100% critical for the next 2 weeks. Everything. Okay? Excellent. Step 2, give your team permission to pause. Once you've got your lists, share them with your team. Get their input. Now, as a team, hit pause on everything that isn't on your 2-week critical must-do list. Yes, everything. Pause. Stop it. If it's not critical, you're not doing it. Yet. Not work on it when you can, not keep it warm, not low priority but still urgent. That is not a thing. Just pause. This gives you all the mental and operational breathing room to actually catch up on your work. Step 3, and this might be the most important, so don't skip this step. Ask your team to escalate anything that feels off. You're not omniscient. You will miss things. Your definitions of critical and not urgent might conflict with other teams, partners, or leaders. So tell your team, if something feels like it shouldn't be paused, or if you're still feeling overloaded, even after this reset, escalate it, and then quickly work together to problem solve. This is how you avoid surprises and refine your prioritization in real time. Step 4, reflect on what you learn, and then do it all over again. You will learn so much from this exercise. This 2-week reset, it's not just a drill, it's data collection. And it's going to reveal big things. What noise is clogging your system, all those random tasks, legacy processes, that rogue work someone always just does, and the real barriers your team is dealing with. Bottlenecks, broken handoffs, unclear ownership, unrealistic expectations, all that invisible junk that just silently eats their capacity. Once you can actually see the barriers, then you can start removing them. So, for everyone out there feeling underwater, your next step is not to work harder. It's to create clarity. Focus your team on what actually matters and strip away everything else, even if just for 2 weeks at a time. Overwhelmed teams aren't weak, they're just overloaded. And smart leaders fix the load, not the people. I hope you'll try this out and let me know how it goes. So that's my take on freeing up capacity. What's yours? Drop your advice and suggestions in the comments below, and let's learn together. Got a sticky workplace situation causing you grief? Send it my way and maybe we'll tackle it in a future episode. Thank you for watching and happy improving.